All right, today we're gonna be changing the white halogen fog light bulbs in the Atlas. This is a 2019. Procedure should be the same regardless of year. In with yellow halogen fog light bulbs. I've found over the years that in both fog and snow, white fog light bulbs don't really help much, and a bright yellow bulb helps a good deal. I'm not going to switch to LED. There are LEDs that have resistors built into them that will prevent any lights happening, warnings in the dash. I'm going to stick with halogen. I've had good luck, and for the price, it's good enough for me. These are the bulbs that we'll be going with. They are PIAA H8s. I've used a couple of different bulbs for fog light purposes that are yellow, a couple of different brands. This one I've used a couple of times now, and they seem to last the longest. I'll put a link in the description for these, as well as at the end of the video for anyone who wants to buy the same ones. There's a couple of ways that you could go about doing this. Number one, obviously the fog lights are down here. One easy access point would be to turn your steering wheel, loosen a couple of these bolts for the fender liner, pull it back, and reach in and get to the bulb that way because it's right here. I found by lifting the hood, you could also easily access the fog light bulbs. They're right down there. I don't know if I can get this to focus. Let's see. There we go. So if I hold that there, let's see if we can do this on camera. And this side, this is the passenger side, is going to be a lot easier to access than the driver's side. So the driver's side, I'm going to do it the same way. I just may not do it on camera, and I'll show you why. So then what you're going to do is first thing is pull the electrical connector off. There's a little tab there that you can depress with your thumb, push the connector further into the light, and then pull it. If you don't push it before pulling it, it's gonna give you a hard time. Then just give this a twist this way, and the bulb will come out. Now, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to open the package for the new lights, and then we will video putting the new ones in. Okay, we've opened the package on the new bulbs, and we are going to put the new bulb in. You can see, be careful not to touch the lens of the new lights. They don't like that. You're just going to line up the holes, just like we did, and then give it that quarter turn. Just give it a tug, make sure it's still on. Grab your electrical connector, and there you go. So we will go in, we'll turn the ignition on, pop those fog lights back on, and we can see the difference. Okay. You'll see the difference in daylight. It's pretty drastic. I'm not sure if the video is picking up quite how drastic it is, but I'll tell you right now, in the dark, it's going to be very drastic. And now we're going to repeat the process on the driver's side. We'll see. I don't think that I'm going to be able to show that entire thing because, as you can see, the driver's side is a bit tighter here. You could still definitely get down to it. It's right there. I just don't have the room for the phone as well as maybe I do. Let's give it a shot. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get this on video, but I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to reach down in this hole, just like I did on the other side, and replace it the exact same way. There's plenty of room to do that from up here. It looks tight on camera, but it's not that bad. If you look, there's this big of a hole. There's the bulb right there. It's just with the phone and my arm, it might be too tight. Let's give it a shot, actually. There's the connectors off, and bulb is out. Let's go shut these fog lights off. I should have done that before I pulled it, but that's okay. We will grab the new bulb. Same thing, make sure all the tabs are in. Grab the electrical connector again. Wait for it to click, make sure it clicks, and that's it. I'm surprised I was able to actually get that on camera. I'm glad I was. Hopefully this is helpful. Again, these are the bulbs we are now using. I'll put a link in the description, as well as a little link at the end in the end screen. And now our fog lights are yellow. We will not have any warning lights, and I hope this is helpful.